everybody knows lean has five principles. But Toyota added the sixth principle, which is involving and respecting people.
If you could add one thing to the standard playbook in your discipline of continuous improvement, operational excellence, what would it be? What is the field not yet doing what it should be according to you?
Okay. What do you think people are not doing and they should start doing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Most of the organizations, or I would say all the organizations, are now moving towards AI, which is a good thing. Very good. But when they want to modernize it with AI, they should also see to it that you need to be a change enabler. People should not feel that change is imposed on them, but people should feel that they are also a journey of this change. Right. So you make
Mhm.
people ready, you take people's opinion, you always bring them in the journey of this transformation, whether you want to digitize it or you want to completely bring AI in it. Because end of the day, we deal with people. We don't deal with machine all the time. Machine can only do whatever you teach, and it is going to be a repetition of whatever we teach AI, right? Also, if you go back to several years, the Toyota way is something that the world is talking about even now. You know why? Because if you Google about the lean principles, you would only see five principles, and everybody knows, whoever is in the lean field, everybody knows lean has five principles. But Toyota added the sixth principle, which is involving and respecting people, and they are people managers. Yeah, right. More from a process manager or a product management. They wanted to empower their people so that people could take decisions at their level. And that made Toyota more successful than the companies that came even before Toyota, though they were giants in their industry, but they were not as successful as Toyota has
Mm.
been because of this one principle, which is involving people, respecting people. So that is something that I see that people are. Some of the organizations are lacking, that fail miserably because they say, okay, now we have AI, we have digitization, we can lay off people. That doesn't work that way. You have to bring people in this journey. You have to make people change enabler. It's more from a it's more human centered than just AI centered. So that's what I think is missing, and organizations that are successful have understood that very clearly.
Okay, amazing. I'm really convinced as well about this people dimension. Also, from the fact that from my side, I've always worked in the service industry, in logistics and transportation, and that's people business by nature. And
Yeah,
I fully agree. And I hope that more and more AI will become a people enabler and not people replacement for sure. And I hope
yeah.
we will discover that, and everybody will be convinced about that as soon as possible. Okay.